In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create a signature block in your Outlook email settings, and then also how to send an email to show off your new signature block to kind of try it out, and while we're at it, practice some email formatting. Alright, so I am in SJSD Canvas in the computer app class, and I'm working on the assignment that says email signature block. First thing I'm going to do is click on this logo because I'm going to want it in just a minute, and I'm just going to click on this, right click, save image as, and then I'm going to save it to my desktop. The default might be to your picture file. Just basically, as we're starting to get used to, hopefully you need to know where you are saving it to. I already have it saved there, but I would click save. Okay, so now I have the logo. I'm going to go to my Outlook email and work on the settings. Now, again, my screencast does not seem to work. Oh, there, I can move it down. I'm going to go in this lower search bar, and I'm just going to type Outlook and pull up my Outlook app, and there's my email. Alright, how to get to the settings. You might want to jot this down. We're going to go to File, Options, Mail, Signatures. Alright, let me do that again. Okay, I'm in Canvas. I want to open up my email, so I'm going to go to the search bar down here, and I'm going to type Outlook and open up my email. To get to my settings, I'm going to hit File, Options, Mail, Signatures. Alright, I'm going to delete this one. I had already been playing around with one. Let's delete it. Alright, so what you're going to do when you get to this option, you're going to hit New. Just type your name. Not mine, yours. And then you're going to start putting in some information. What do I want? Keep it simple, but I think your name. Okay. Your job title, which at this point is a student at Central High School. Make sure that that is all nicely capitalized and spelled correctly. And then maybe class of 2023, 2024, whatever it may be. And your phone number. And this will be helpful because especially in our online world, we're having a hard time getting a hold of students. I just think it's a nice thing, it's a courtesy thing, so that anyone you are emailing instantly has your phone number. So very handy thing to do, especially as we're doing all this online stuff. Alright, so your name, your job title, which right now is student, Central High School, class of 2023, 2024, whatever it is, your phone number. And then, if you want, remember I saved that logo because I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on this, it looks like a little picture. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go back to my desktop where I had that saved. And I'm going to insert it. Alright, you don't have to do that, but you know, hey, why not dress it up a little bit? Once you're happy, it's edited carefully for punctuation, spelling, capitalization. You've got standard formatting for your phone number. Click OK. And then click OK one more time. And let's see what this is going to look like. If I click New Email, boom, it pops up automatically at the bottom of my email. So you don't have to type that in each time. So what you're going to do now is, again, where did I get that? I'm in Outlook, and I clicked New Email because I'm going to compose a new email. Type my name in here. Give it a good subject line. Subject line, there we go, subject line. You can make it a signature block or my summer break, whatever you want, but make sure you have a nice subject line. That is part of standard email formatting. Then do a greeting, or what's called a salutation. Hello, Mrs. Blazer, dear Mrs. Blazer, comma, something like that. And then tell me what you did over the summer break. This summer, I watched Netflix and slept. And slept in often. I worked at Hy-Vee as well. I am saving up for a car. Whatever. Tell me a little bit about your summer, what you did, if you traveled, if you took the dogs for walks. It doesn't matter. Just give me a few sentences well edited. That means capital letters at the beginning, periods at the end. You might close it out. Okay, and then do a sincerely or best regards, thanks, comma, something like that. So notice again all the key pieces here. We're sending to me, make sure it's the new one without that dot there. Give it a good subject line. Do a greeting or salutation with a comma. Give me a few sentences about your summer. Make sure you have a closing, like sincerely, best regards. And then also make sure that signature block showed up as it should. And once you're ready to do that and everything is edited well, you click send. One other quick thing. Notice how everything is left aligned. You don't want to do tabs or indents or anything like that. If you are doing paragraphs, you can go ahead and put a space between the paragraphs. But other than that, you really should not try to do any indents or tabs like we do in language arts class, or try to center anything. It just doesn't translate well in email world. So that's it. Once you're done, you click send. Okay. And that's how you turn it in. There is nothing to turn in on Canvas this time. See, submitting nothing. So I will know that you made your signature block and you did a nicely formatted email when it shows up on my email. And that's how you get your points. Okay, thanks everyone. Good luck.